Hello guys. So this is a quick video. I'm showing you how you can enable auto index creation for MongoDB. I'm using Spring Data Mongo here in Spring Boot 3. And let me show you the problem first. So I have a document here with this collection, and I specifically insert an, um, an index here for the service name to be unique. So let me show you the database. So this is my database, and currently I don't have that collection. So let me start the application. And the application is started. And if I check here, the collection is still not available. So I will send a request, here to create a document. So this is a kind of simple document. So let's execute this, and let's go to Mongo Compass again and refresh, and you see that the new item is here. And go to the index column, index tab. Then my custom index was not created. And just go back to the code, and obviously I have the index name here, and also in these settings I have auto index creation set to true, but that doesn't work. So this is a solution for that. So the trick is to create a configuration bin here. So you can see that I disabled the configuration, so that bin was not created when the first run. And the only thing you need to, actually two things. So you need to have this class extend abstract Mongo client configuration, and you set the auto index creation to true. And additionally, because you create this bin, so you also need to configure the client, so the Mongo client here. So simply you create the connection string, and this item, this URI is configured inside my application.yaml here. So this is the URI, and you can replace it with your own configuration. So yeah, just like that. And let me run the application again. So run it. And now let's check the collection. So sure enough, you can see that I have the index created here. And let's try creating um, another document with the same service name here. So yeah, I got an error because the key already existed. So that's it. That's just how you can uh, enable auto index creation in MongoDB. Um, if you can have this working. So I tried this, but it didn't work. So this is just some extra configuration. Then you will have your indexes created for you on application startup. So thank you for watching. I will also put this into a blog post so you can check and copy the code yourself. So goodbye and see you soon.